In the last episode, we have created the outline of our cemetery and started to place some objects. So let's continue with adding more details to our scene. At the end of the path, we'll build a crypt. Start with some stairs for the entrance. Then create the main part from a cuboid. Give it a texture and some extra color. Use an embeddable window as the entrance to cut into the cuboid. Add a roof piece on top. You can close off the back by using a copy of the cuboid, without the window and roof. Now it's time for some spooky characters. Let's add a vampire. But of course, a vampire needs a coffin. We can place some candles on the stairs to light the way. You can continue to distribute more details along your scene if you want to. Let's also add a witch and her bubbling cauldron. Use particle systems to make fire and smoke. That will look amazing. And for a touch of extra spookiness, add some floating skulls above the cauldron. Next, let's add our environment. Choose the one with mountains and switch it to night mode for that perfect Halloween atmosphere. Our cemetery might be hidden in a dark forest. Use the Forest Botany object to add trees and adjust the shape by using the blue dots. Let's add some easy Coblox coding in the next part.